If you're blindly pasting your messy project files directly into Claude Code, you're definitely wasting your precious time and money today. Giving raw, undocumented files directly into AI is precisely why you hit your API limits and get very poor coding results back. Today we are going to cover Graphify tool, which is a visual mapping code that can map your entire code into knowledge graphs so you can then pass those into the Claude code. By doing this simple step first, you give Claude a perfect map to your software architecture so it can stop guessing and start fixing. Today we are going to install this simple tool so you can completely transform how you write and debug your code with AI assistants. Let's go. Every single coding tool like Claude Code, OpenAI, OpenCode, OpenClaw hit a hard ceiling because your entire code and project files cannot fit into a single prompt. The traditional search methods like RAG splits everything into chunks, which completely destroys the structural information about how your functions are connected to each other. A knowledge graph simply beat all of these problems. It preserves the actual structure of the code, turning your concepts into nodes, edges, and relationships. So instead of forcing Claude to read thousands of disconnected text blocks, you're giving it a clear map where it can directly traverse and find all the connections in your code. This simple change means your AI can understand your code and the real logic behind your software instead of manually searching all the text files given. So what really is Graphify? It is an open source tool that can turn your entire repository into interactive graphs so your AI assistants can clearly understand the complex code bases and the connected documentation. It can parse your Python code files, the documentation markdown files, the research papers, diagrams, everything. The major features of this tool includes a multimodal extraction, so it can extract all markdown PDF images files. Then it can generate knowledge graphs basis those code files. It creates the God nodes, which are the heart of our system, and also flag unexpected connections between our different functions, which it calls surprises. It has completely interactive output, so it generates an HTML file, a JSON file, and a markdown file. Then you can integrate these files into Claude Code, Codex, OpenCode, or any of your AI assistant, and it has strict input data validation, so you don't need to worry about any privacy risks. And the best part is we are going to completely run it locally on our own machine using the local models on Olama. I'm going to use the recently released Google's Gemma 4. If you want to know more, I have already covered this in my 2 videos, so you can check these out. And we are going to use the smallest version of this Gemma 4, which is the E2B model, which can run even on a daily use computer. Now we are going to set up the project. First, we are going to install the Graphify tool. So for that, we are just going to use these queries in our anti-gravity terminal. So now Graphify is installed. Next, I've just made a simple Python file, which I'll be giving it to the Graphify tool and get the complete structure diagram of my code. The code is a simple database connection code. We have a database class in which we'll be defining the users and their sessions. Then there will be a logger module which will log all the events which the users are making on the system. Then for the authentication of user, we have this module which will register the users, get their login IDs and passwords. Then there is a payment gateway tool which processes all the charges which the users are making while they are doing the payments. Now to run the Graphify tool, first we need to register the local Olama model. If you don't have Olama installed, just go to olama.com and click on download. We are going to use the Gamma 4 model, so I'll just scroll down and select the E2B version, which is the tiniest version of this Gamma 4. Then I'm just going to copy this query. Next, in the anti-gravity terminal, we just need to paste that simple query, and this will load the Gamma 4 model in your system. Next, this model by default uses the thinking parameter as true, which takes a lot of time for every processing. So I'm going to make a custom model for this by just making this model file of Gamma fast. Here I'm going to just give a system parameter that you are an expert direct assistant and do not use the think tags, and just give the final response. Now to register this model file, first I'll exit this chatbot by pressing Ctrl D. Then I just need to give this query to create my custom model, which will just create a new model with the name Gamma 4 E2B and taking this model file. Next I'll run this, and now my custom model is registered, which will be used by the Graphify tool. So just ensure your model is running by the same queries that I have used. And now we just need to give the Graphify tool to our AI coding assistant. So for my coding agent, I'm going to use a default agent in the anti-gravity tool, and I'm going to use the /Graphify command, which will use the Graphify tool that we have just installed. And I pointed my directory of the code files as this raw folder, which will have this sample.py file. So next I just need to run this using this send command. So now you see is analyzing our current Graphify directory. It's just searching for all the workflows in our directory. So now it has finished thinking. So it has found 550 words code file. It has created 8 nodes and the 9 edges in the knowledge graph. The output is stored in this Graphify output folder. There is an interactive graph where we'll have the HTML file, the markdown file, and the JSON file. So the God nodes that it has identified is the logger module, the database module. The surprising connections also are given here, and there are also some suggested questions. This is the different connections of our code. So I can navigate to this Graphify output folder in which I'll find all the files. If I check the markdown file, I'll see that it is generated locally by the Graphify tool. The God nodes are given here. First it is saying that logger is a centralized dependency hit by almost every authentication and interaction method across the sample.py. Then the database module is also highly coupled state engine directly mutated by authentication service and payment gateway. So if we check the sample file, we'll see this logger module is used many times like here, and in this payment gateway as well. And also in the database module, we have the different functions which are used in the further classes. Next, in the surprising connections, it is saying that payment.process charge is directly using database.sessions instead of going to the authentication service. This indicates a cross-domain architectural bypass. So if we check the Python file, in the process charge, we are directly hitting the db.sessions without hitting the authentication layer first, which should be done because we should check first whether the user is authenticated and then we should check their session. Next, it has also given some suggested questions like why is payment gateway reaching into the sessions directly instead of validating through the authentication service layer, and then logger forms a high density cluster across the cloud base, and whether we should decouple it so we can do some faster processing. So each of our structural anomalies in our code is given in simple plain English language, telling us why some specific connections are dangerous in our code files. Uncovering these spaghetti code connections can take hours for a manual coding team or can easily hit the API token limits in our Claude Code if you pass them directly. But Graphify completely exposes them all completely free under a minute. This leads to 71 times token reduction when you are giving the same code to the Claude Code with or without the Graphify architectural diagrams. You just need to pass on the MD files before giving the code files to the Claude Code, and it will understand the complete architecture of our code before it reads the entire code files. The official blog also has some worked examples of very small libraries and a complete research paper, and in both cases Graphify tool is completely able to extract all the information about the code bases, that it has 6 Python files, there are 144 nodes, 330 edges, and all the God nodes and the surprise connections are also found out by the Graphify tool. Then in the research paper corpus also, it has found all the repos, the attention papers, diagrams, the nodes, edges, communities, and here comes the best part, that it has taken 1.7k tokens instead of 123k tokens, which will be used if you give the complete corpus directly. So this means a 71 times token reduction, which is just insane. It also talks about the strengths of Graphify and the limitations of other tools compared to the Graphify tool for the existing open source tools that are available on GitHub on this code intelligence space. So some tools do not create a knowledge graph, there is no graph structure, and they do not generate graphs from the code itself, which Graphify tool is completely able to do seamlessly. You will also see how to integrate this into your Claude Code. So just we need to use the same tools that we have used on our current project, and then it will create a claude.md file which you can then instruct the Claude to read before answering the architectural question. This means Claude AI will have the absolute map of your code base. So today we proved that you must use a Graphify tool to build a fast structural map before Claude Code even touches a single file of your code base. We installed the core pipeline using some simple steps. Then we created a custom model from the Gamma 4 E2B version, and we simply ran this Graphify raw command in our Google Anti-Gravity agent, and we got the complete knowledge graph of our code easily, which we can then pass on to the Claude Code or any of our AI assistants. I put the link to the complete GitHub repository, including this README file, which you can follow along. Just check the GitHub repo link in the description below. Install this tool right now and build the knowledge graphs for your code bases today. Follow the channel for more such AI builds, updates, and workflows.